Hello everyone, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to check Snapchat subscribers. First, let's open our Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon on the top left. Here, if I tap on Public Profile, and here beside my username, it shows me I have 19 followers or 19 subscribers. However, Snapchat won't tell you which people are following you. It's not built into their system. Also, if you want to make your followers or subscribers public, then click on the pencil icon on the top and then click on Show Followers Count. And now everyone will be able to see how many followers or subscribers you have. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.